In today's video, we're going to be covering the exact Facebook ads that you need to scale this year, where you can be doing an extra 100K, 200K, or even 300K in sales at the end of this year. Because right now we're entering Q4, which is one of the busiest seasons for e-commerce online. So I'm going to show you the exact creatives that you need to start implementing right away. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. Here we are inside of the ad swipe file that I've gone ahead and put together for you for Q4. We're covering anything from Black Friday, ad creatives, Christmas, any of the holidays, the final months where you can be getting 100K in a single day in sales, the offers, the structure, and everything you really need to know around this. So what we have are a few different Facebook ad formats that we're going to be going over. One of these is the product benefits based ad, the product feature, product demonstration. All of these ad types get really good return on ad spend, allow you to spend more on Facebook ads, and be able to reduce your cost per purchase and understand when it is that you should be launching these. So let's go ahead and review some of these creative assets that we have here. And if you want to follow along in this video, I've actually linked this swipe file for free for you to be able to access and start using. So one of the very first creatives we're going to be looking at is a product benefit / product demonstration video. And as you can see, the ad copy is the first thing we're going to go through. And it's going to be calling out all parents. With your Facebook ads, you want to call out your audience so that way people can self-identify and raise their hand and say, that's me, because then they'll engage with your Facebook ads. This will help your algorithm optimize over time. And then we have this Christmas, give your young gamer a gift that's both fun and peaceful. Since we're going into the holidays, there's a lot of gifting that happens around this season. People are buying for their significant others, their friends and family. And so you want to make sure to have ad copy that calls out gifting. You want to leverage these keywords because not only are people looking to buy for themselves, but they're buying for others, which will increase your AOVs, get you more lifetime revenue, and gain additional customers because people are looking for items to buy. And then they have the positioning, which is the game Tendo handheld game is the perfect solution. So the solution to your gifting ideas if you're struggling with it. They then call out 3 benefits, which is our product benefit ad copy. 3 emojis, very clean. And then they start to call out imagine the joy on Christmas morning. Don't miss out, which is the urgency aspect of the ad copy. And then they have a call to action, shop now with the URL. So let's go ahead and play the video. The first thing I'm noticing is they're using TikTok style text, which I highly recommend because it's very relevant. Most people are used to seeing it. Not only that, but they have their text placement centered 2/3 into their video, which is one of the best spots you can actually place text because it's covered by nothing and it is in the main portion of your screen and easy to read.
This one thing brought back so many memories. It's a game Tendo with over 400 classic games inside. Includes all the games I grew up playing. Plus it has a 2-player controller to play against friends. I highly recommend getting one.
All right, so very simple video, 17 seconds long. They have the main headline, bring back so many memories, which is calling on the nostalgia aspect of this. They then call out 400 classic games and they show this. You want to clip to the next scene of you actually demonstrating the product, where the product demonstration aspect of this video comes into play. And then they show them actually using the product. And then finally, it even has 2-player, which is an added benefit and bonus to this product that a lot of people might be interested in. And then the biggest part of this video, which is the call to action. Before they sell out, adds urgency, so people are more likely to buy. And they have the call to action. And then they have their headline here. So this is a holiday ad that you can run during Christmas. You structure the video, you demonstrate your product, call out the features and benefits, and highlight gifting. Let's go ahead and go to the next ad. Here we have a product feature, which is calling out the uniqueness of the product. It's a simple red arrow, the perfect Christmas gift. Once again, following very similar background. The only difference in this one is 30% off for Black Friday. It's a great Christmas idea. Buy it early, get it by Christmas. And the perfect personalized Christmas gift. And then they have it made in, and then upload any photo and it'll transform your product. This one is a very good gifting ad if you sell custom wall art, if you sell custom products, jacuzzis, anything where you can put an image or photo on it. This is a great way to do it. Then we have our clothing based ad, and these ads are very simple in nature, but they end up performing really well. These work perfect for retargeting. These work great for being able to acquire new customers. This is a way to scoop the bucket on being able to get all of the people who haven't bought in the last few months to take action on a special offer that you're running. So in this case, get up to 50% off our entire women's collection during our Christmas sale. Best sellers are going quick, so order now. And this was actually one of our clients in the mentorship, 3 Nails, and they're absolutely crushing it, getting tons of results. And this is a very simple ad that you can run.
My name is Caitlin. I'm the head of marketing at 3 Nails. and I am here to let you know that our Christmas sale is live, and most women's gear is 50% off right now, including our brand new Nova collection of hoodies, quarter zips, leggings, and joggers, and our seamless collection of leggings, t-shirts.
Very simple video. Shot on an iPhone camera. There's not a lot that goes into it. It's really just highlighting, hey, we're running a special offer. And this ad is great for retargeting because if people are already familiar with the brand and you've already done a lot of cool creative campaigns, gained a lot of interest, this is one of those ads that are just going to convert the people who are interested in your products already but just haven't bought yet. So these ads here can easily do anywhere between 5 and 15x return on ad spend during peak buying days. And then we have a ring-based ad, which is for jewelry. So this one's a reaction style video. Reaction style videos absolutely crush it. In fact, we helped a brand go from $0 to $500,000 per month with reaction style videos. This is arc drops. And all we did was have people reacting to their product, and it would immediately create an interest because people were wondering what it is that they're selling, how it works. There's a natural inclination to want to be able to click on an ad to learn more. So reaction styles are whenever you react at the beginning of the video. This is great for supplements. This is great for jewelry. This is great for pretty much any product that you can have a big reaction to, and it's immediately going to capture attention and pull people in to watch the video. And the best part is they're using this attention by saying, hey, save up to 65% off on our holiday offers. That is an insane offer. So you're gonna be able to get a lot of results the bigger your offer. And most people don't know this, but specifically around the auction and bidding system with Facebook ads, it doesn't matter who spends the most in order to get the best results. The way you combat that is by having the best offer. Whoever has the best offer is going to get the most reach and the best results because you will show up first in the actual feed on Instagram and Facebook. So if you have an offer that's 65% off and everybody else is offering 10%, well, you're pretty much always going to show up in front of them because Facebook wants to have the best offers in front of their audience for the best experience. So keep that in mind, but at the same time, you need to pay attention to your unit economics to really understand if it makes sense. Now here we are on another ad format. This one's another product benefits based ad where you break down all of the benefits. They have the reviews over 20,000 plus. This right here is a great way to call out your offers. We use this exact headline in a lot of ads and it works really well. You essentially say Black Friday, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and you put it in bold text. You call out your offer and you do the same thing down in the headline. And it's a really easy way to capture attention and make it very clear that you have the offer out there. You don't want to bury your offer down below the fold because most people won't see it. So you need to make sure it's shown.
Leg swelling affects millions of Americans. Are you one? There is only one proven solution for this: wearing compression socks. However, every compression sock is either
So this is demonstrating the product, giving out the benefits, calling out the reasons why it's bad, and then the solution and how their product is the positioning for that. And then they have a Christmas spin on it by having the Christmas-based designs and a couple of reviews throughout the video. This is a great ad format that you can leverage. We even have the script here that you can pay attention to. So you'd format your ad copy very similar to this and film a video style. Now let's do some that we haven't gone through yet. So here's our pre-sale ad. As for military, this is where you actually run your offer early before your main offer. So that way you can warm up your audiences, warm up your ads, get better results, and have it more consistent. So when the holidays do hit and you come out with that big offer, you already have that campaign really fine-tuned. So the way you do that is by having a pre-sale. So you give a special offer, whether it's 10, 15, 20% off, and then you have your main sale, which might be 50 to 65% off, or some other offer, whether it's a BOGO or however you structure. And essentially you get a lot of sales on these style of ads. You have a main headline, have the product images in center, and essentially run a pre-sale. These are great to launch 1 to 2 weeks in advance of your main offer. Then we have a image-based ad where you just show different variations of your product, call out what they're receiving, free delivery, free gift card, free gift box. The more you offer, the better the result. And then we have our direct sell ads, which are just straight up what you're going to be running in the Black Friday time period and the Christmas holiday. Up to 45% off, limited time holiday bundles. Couple benefits, very straightforward. Let's watch the video.
Calling all last-minute holiday shoppers. This is your last chance to take advantage of some truly pocket-saving deals. Dr. Squatch is making it easier to get your hands on some truly eye-catching soaps. With this
The big thing about this video is making sure you have lots of variations throughout. As you can see, we have the holiday themed, which makes it relevant. We have the big offer that's calling it out, holiday blowout sale, meaning we need to sell a lot of these products. We're giving away a huge offer. Now's your time to stock up. And then as you can see, they show the actual soap being used, how it looks, the different boxes, the different options, everything you really need to see. So that way you just go to the website and buy as many products as you would like. And then we have our last chance. So these last chance ads are ones that you're going to run at the tail end of your offer. These are on the peak days, whether it's Cyber Monday, Black Friday, leading up to the Christmas day, where there's only a few days left and you're really milking out those 10, 15, 20K sales days. Once again, very similar, fast-paced. They call out the offer. They show lots of different products. This is your time to show everything you really have to offer and get it out there. And then we have our product comparison-based ad, where you actually compare your product against somebody else's. These are good to run leading up to your actual Black Friday offer, so that way you can get your audience very consistent. You just compare your product against a competitor's product. Here's another good format. They call out the 20% off, the free shipping, the sign up to get 10% off your purchase, plus share your experience. So you can combine all these special offers together, and they're actually giving you kind of like a step-by-step. So if you add $120 to cart, now your AOVs are up, you got your free shipping. Now you got 20% discount. Let's say it's your first purchase, now it's up to 30, and then you refer a friend, and now it's 35% off, and you're also getting a gift card directly in a limited time. So they're really giving you everything you need, but they're also incentivizing the customer to have to go through all of those steps to get there. But more than likely than not, people are going to take advantage of that offer and do it. So this one's more of a lifestyle based. They're just demonstrating their athletic wear and then highlighting all the offers they can receive. This one says almost the only sale of the year. So if you don't run a lot of sales, then you need to call out that this is the one time you do it every year, because Black Friday is now live up to 40% off. This one's a very simple one, and it's more of a branded creative feel asset for their creative. This is a pretty creative campaign, very simple, straightforward, and it's more of a lifestyle-esque, fits in with their brand guidelines. Simple text, these will crush it. They ran this for 78 days, even after the holidays, because it worked so extremely well. So we have our product benefits: softer skin, doesn't clog pores, and smells good. 30% off Black Friday deal. So as you can see, a lot of these are very similar. They're calling out the key headline. You highlight the benefits. You call out the review. You have a video that demonstrates the product. You make sure your offer is very clear with a strong call to action. And then you run a pre-sale leading up to Black Friday. You run a core sale, which is during those peak buying days of Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And then you have the consistency of those ads whenever you do a massive sale that leads up to Christmas. And during that time period, you can make as many sales as you did the entire year in that 2-month time span. So go ahead and click the link below this video so that way you can access all of these creative formats. We haven't gone through all of them. There are so many here. We have amazing creatives like this, which are more of an image-based asset that call out the special offers and make it very clear. So you want to leverage these and go into Canva. Structure your videos very similar. Have some of the ad creatives just like this. This creative right here is going to absolutely crush it. This is where we call a combination ad, where you combine the offer with the lifestyle and product-based images. These do phenomenally well. So go ahead and check these out, because these creative formats will absolutely crush it. Here's another one, cozy holiday season. We have our notes-based ad. We have our biggest sale of the year ad. These are great formats. We have bundles where you actually combine your products together and give a special discount. We have the main core offer on your best-selling product that you scale up. We have the site-wide sale. And as you can see, we go down here and there's so many different variations we can leverage. So the more variations you can get during the holidays, the better off you're going to be when scaling, as long as you segment your campaigns out and have the timeline ready and in place. Now, if you want help with this and want my team and myself to show you not only how to scale up your Facebook ads, your TikTok ads, optimize the site, and get your offers in place, then definitely make sure to book a call with myself and team, where we're happy to go through all of this with you in our one-on-one ads mastery mentorship. And once again, it's your favorite digital marketer here, Chase Chappell. Cheers and bye, y'all.